Hello YouTube, Triumph Guy here. If you enjoy the video, like and subscribe. We don't have much time for chit chat because I'm going to try and do the quickest video on YouTube on how to change your brake pads, right? And this bolt down here, okay, should be well, it's different on all cars, but I think on this car specifically it is a 14mm. Now the bolt's removed. Now what you can do is cable tie or hang up the actual caliper itself onto here. However, I'm just going to rest it on top of the, right now that's on top of there. What I'm going to do is remove the brake pads, okay? I believe you've got to plunger this down, take it and then slide out this way. Old ones out, slide the new ones in, and also remember we've got to do the other side as well. Caliper tool. I'm just going to twist this, reset that. At this point you have to plunge these, the top bit and the bottom bit in, put the bolts in, tighten them up really tight. Torque tighten is different per car, but yeah, just check that out or just do it FT. Thanks very much for watching. I'll put some additional steps in the description, like using brake cleaner and bits and bobs like that. But yeah, thanks very much for watching.